When you take delivery of your new BMW, Sirius XM should already be on, so you can start enjoying it as soon as you get behind the wheel. In some cases, however, you may first need to send a refresh signal to your radio. To do this, you'll need your ESN or radio ID. This number is stored in iDrive and can be accessed by selecting Media Radio from the main menu. Then, select Satellite Radio. While in satellite radio mode, press the Option button on the iDrive controller, then select Show Subscription Info. Your radio ID will be displayed as a 12-digit ESN or 8-character radio ID. To send a refresh signal to your radio, enter your ESN or radio ID at SiriusXM.com/refresh. You can also call 1-855-MY-REFRESH. Streaming is included with your SiriusXM All Access trial subscription, so you can listen online and anywhere life takes you by using the SiriusXM app. First, you need to set up your credentials by registering your account. To do this, go to SiriusXM.com/GetAllAccess. When prompted, enter your zip code, last name, phone number, and ESN or radio ID. Once your account is set up, you can log in on your computer to stream SiriusXM online, or download the free SiriusXM app to your smartphone or tablet. We hope you enjoy every moment of the SiriusXM All Access trial subscription available with your BMW. If you're a returning SiriusXM subscriber, you can call the dedicated hotline 1-855-236-9236 to add a new radio to your account, cancel the service on your previous vehicle, or apply any unused credits to your new vehicle's service. If your vehicle is not equipped with satellite radio, speak with your BMW client advisor for more information about the dealer install option. For further assistance, contact your BMW Center or reach out to SiriusXM Listener Care anytime by phone or on the web.